What is up, everyone? It's Aziza back in another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be making. It's a pizza. This is gonna be the most easiest recipe that you've probably guys ever seen. And this recipe will take less than 5 minutes probably, but it's gonna be on a sandwich grill. So I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients now. You guys will need bread, any kind of bread you like, and some square cheese, and sauce, any kind, but I would recommend you guys can use any type you like, but this one is really good because it has tomatoes, herbs, and spices. When it says spices, it's not really that spicy. It's not even spicy. And the best thing is that it has basil and it's organic. If you guys don't have a grill, you guys can just use a portable stove, but it doesn't matter what kind of stove you use, and a pan. But make sure you guys have the stove on low temperature, because if you put on too much, it's gonna burn. So let's get into the video. Oh, and by the way, it broke last summer, but it still works pretty fine. So until it's literally broken, we won't need to buy a new one, saving money. It still works. So first we're gonna need bread. Oh, I need sauce. Make sure you guys cover the bread with sauce. Make sure you don't put too much sauce because it's gonna be soggy and it won't taste the best. If you put just the right amount of sauce, it's gonna be perfect. So that's enough sauce. Again, you guys can use any type of cheese you want. This is what it looks like in the grill. And now we're gonna move on to the second one. Again, don't put too much sauce. Once again, another reminder, if you guys don't have a grill, you guys can just use a pan and a stove. Make sure it's on low temperature, because you don't want it to be too high that it'll get burned. Here, the pizza sauce is on. Then we're gonna put more cheese. If you guys want it to be more cheesy, you guys could put 2. I like to put 1, because the last time I tried to put 2, it did not end well. It was too cheesy. We're gonna close the lid now, push it in, and then snap it on like that. Now we're just gonna plug it in until it makes a sound, and then this has to be green, and then that way you'll know when it's ready. But when it turns green, I like to wait another minute so it can be extra crispier. Okay. Now that the pizza's ready, I'm gonna snap it. And then, are you guys ready to see the perfection? Oh my God, look at that cheese. It looks so good. See that cheese right there? It smells so good.
Yeah, I'm having some too, remember.
Azim is waiting right there. So I'm gonna take that out. You guys see that cheese? It's just it smells so good. You guys have to try this, I'm telling you guys. So we're gonna cut it now. And the second one. There. Let's try this. There's that cheese coming out. Now I'm gonna try one. Now I'm gonna try this. If you guys like don't want to go to the store and get some pizza, here you guys go, like the most easiest recipe. Next time, try it at home. I gotta go to my karate. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you guys will not miss a video that we make. Bye.
Thinking